Baby shark. Hello, it's me. Do you like my new hair? It's beautiful. Okay, today we are going to make a very exciting rainbow fish. Are you ready? Let's go! Da-da-dang!
So, here are my materials. My paper plate, pencil, my fisheye, and some colour paper. And of course, don't forget, very important, the scissors. Okay, let's go. First, cut a mouth with the scissors, okay? In like this. Like this. Ta-dang. And there you have fish mouth. Good. Here is my fish eye. And all I need to do very simply is cut it out like this. Okay?
Okay, so here's my fisheye. And taking some glue. What's this? It's a glue stick. Put some glue on the back of this paper. And then very simply stick your eye very close to the mouth, okay? Like this. Ta-dang! Under the sea. Do-do-do-do.
So using the colour paper and one of these special tools, very useful for drawing circles, I'm going to choose the 28 size here, okay? Put on like this, draw a circle, like so, and then cut out, okay? Cut out the circle like this. Great.
So you can cut out as many of these circles as you like, different colours, or the same colour if you want. And these are going to make the scales for our fish, okay? So, very simple. Taking our fish like this, okay? And then take one of these scales and fold in half like this, okay? Fold in half. And then put some glue on the back like this. Cool. And then stick this about kind of halfway across the plate, okay? Stick one there, okay? Cool. That's my first scale there. Let's stick one more, choose a different colour. And this time, I've got a red one, okay? Take a red one, and then fold in half, like this. Stick some glue on the back, and then stick like this, okay? Two there, okay? So you keep sticking them like that, 1, 2, and then do as many as you can, until eventually you will get a set of scales like this, all across the body. Great. And what I've done with another piece of just plain blue paper, I've cut out a fin shape like this, okay? And put some glue on the edge, and then stick it at the top, which is really cool. So now you've got fish fin at the back and fish fin at the top, like that. Baby shark, bum bum bum, hello. Cool. And finally, this is a kind of extra option. Get some coloured paper, you can cut out some teeth. Make them in any shape you want. I made my teeth a little bit scary, and then you can stick the teeth just under here, like this. Ooh. And another set of teeth here, yellow ones here. Put some glue in there, and then stick under here, like that. Can you see that? There, good, cool. And there you go. That is it. That is my final thing, my cutie rainbow fish. Ooh. Under the sea, under the... Ow. Cool. I hope you can make a really good one. I will see you later. Bye-bye.
Frying a fish. Frying a fish. Frying a fish. Frying a fish. Should be delicious. Oh no.